Good morning, everyone. Today I would like to share with you how to use the Photopea to make a passport photo. So let's start. To begin with, you need to prepare a photo like this. So you can see we have a beautiful girl right here, and you are expected to take a photo in this way. You can use a piece of big paper as your background. It's up to you, or even you have a plain white wall at your home or at your room. You can also take a photo like this. Probably you need to ask your family to help you to take the photo for you, and you can see the photo like this. So to start with, open the Photopea as usual, and you can drag the photo inside the Photopea. Alright, so now you can see we have the photo right here. And what is next to do is to crop the size. So today I would like you guys to learn to use this tool, which is the crop tool. So when you click it, the crop tool, and we have the crop tool here. Alright, and first to do is to set up the ratio. So we choose fixed ratio. And then let's choose 3 for width and 4 for height. Let's see if the ratio is correct. So you can zoom in, zoom out the photo by holding the alternate key. And then you can resize the crop window size into your expected size of the photo, probably like this. And then you can click this OK option. So we have the photo now, in a proper size, and the ratio is often like 3 and 4, 3 times 4. This is the ratio. All right, and next, remember we need to duplicate this layer so that we got the original one all the time. And in this background copy, all you need to do is there are several things. Of course, you can also apply the technique you learned from the previous lesson to remove the pimples or freckles, or even somewhere you think you want to make it beautiful. But at this time, I would like to teach you guys to use these buttons. So by using these 3 auto options, you can tune the color, contrast, and tone automatically. But personally, I would like to teach you guys to do it in a more professional way. So I would like to do first thing is to tune the color. So you can see we have the channel mixer right here. All right, and let's go to the channel mixer first, because I would like to tune the color first. As you can see, the background is not really blue, and for this time I would like to have a blue background. And probably because of the light, or even my camera's what we call the exposure, so that the color, the blue, is not so blue. So we need to tune it by clicking the channel right here. We can choose blue, and then you will see we have the blue channel right here. So what we need to do is to to slide, can you see the blue is now much more blue right now. So when you have your blue color in a more appropriate level, so you can stop here. And to me, for this example, I would choose 132% right here, and it's up to you. And once the color is okay, click OK straight away. And then next, what you need to do is to tune the levels. And this level, you can see the chart right here, is actually the colors in this photo. And normally I would say I don't need this part. So we can slide this button up to here, and you can see a difference between the photo. It looks like much brighter. And also you can slightly tune this slide to make it more natural and not too dark. All right, so probably I make it right here. Okay, so it's almost done, and you can see, you can compare with the original one. See that? All right, so next, one more thing to do is to tune the brightness and contrast. And for this time, I would like to have my photo a little bit more brightness, and the contrast also give it a little bit, just a little bit is enough, and it's up to you. And that's it. Click OK again. So now we are having the photo right here. All right, so next, what are we going to do? I would like you to save this photo first. And this time we're going to save it as JPG, export as JPG. And remember to choose the best quality so that we have 100% quality right here, and save. And then put the photo to your desktop or somewhere in your Chromebook. All right, so probably I need to, rename it. Yeah, okay. All right. And then one more thing, save as PSD all the time. Okay, this is the first part we need to complete. And the next part we need to do is to make a 4-hour size photo. So let's go to File and New. And in this page, please click Photo here. And when you click Photo right here, you can click this 8x12 size. And then I would like you guys to click this icon here, so that we have the size right here. And for the size, I would like you guys to change it to 6x4, so that this is the 4-hour size photo. And with the background white, okay, let's create it. So now we have the photo right here. This is a 4-hour size photo. And one more thing I would like you guys to do is to open, show, and grid here. So we have the little grid here. It will be easier for us to align the photo. And next, let's come back to this photo. You see we have 2 files right here. Okay, so click the original photo we have done and select this photo. We can click Control A to select this photo. All right, let's see if we can copy it. Copy, Control C, Control C, and then go to this part and paste it. Yeah, all right, so you can see we have the layer 1 just right here. All right, so let's go back to this selection icon, and you can see I can move this photo. All right, and one more thing to do is to choose this transform control and auto select, so that we have our photo in this way. If you see this little square right here, okay, and now please hold your shift key. Hold the shift key to resize it until this. Alright, so probably it can be a little bit larger. Alright, so that's it. Probably, yeah, it seems okay. And then click this OK icon, confirm. Alright, and next, what we need to do is to duplicate this layer and drag it 1, 2, or you can go to this layer and press Ctrl J so that we have the photos copied. And then you can arrange the photo in this way. And for me, I would like to choose these 4 photos together. And then I go back to the layer and Ctrl J so that now I have these photos just copied. So you can arrange your photo just a little bit, and then you can see we have the photo right here. All right, and what's next? File, save as PSD, and then name your file passport photo 4R. All right, and then export it JPG once again, 100% quality, and then 4R passport photo for yourself. And that's it. Now you can bring this photo to the photo store to print it out. All right. And that's what I would like to share with you today. Let's try it. Thank you. See you. Bye.